You may remember a few months ago I made a multicoloured salad spinner, cost about £35. Let me show you how to make one from Ikea. It's just white, but it's about £8.
So to make the salad spinner, we got a salad spinner from Ikea which cost around £4 and some little lights from Ikea which also cost around £4.
And that was the voice of my trusty assistant, which is Freya, who helped me make, well actually she made it herself. Have a look how she did it.
First of all, we unwrapped the salad spinner and then we unpackaged the lights. Now we're going to show you how to put the lights into the salad spinner. So we are going to cut the top of the vertical frame with either scissors or pliers to hold the lights in place. Now we are weaving the lights in the salad spinner, making sure to push them through the little cuts we just made. Now we've wrapped the lights around the salad spinner about 20 times. Now we're putting the salad spinner back together. Let's put the batteries in, let's put the lid on and see what happens next.
And what happens next is my pal Freya has made the most amazing salad spinner for just £8. This is from Ikea. It's an absolute bargain. Some of our guys who have autism are going to absolutely love it. It's easy to put together, as you saw, and the effect, well, multicoloured's always good, but the effect here is just brilliant.